In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sections to Microsoft Forms. This is a useful skill for organizing your forms or quizzes into manageable parts. By following these steps, you'll enhance clarity for your respondents. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You will see a list of results that include links to the official Microsoft website and other resources. Make sure to select the correct link that directs you to Microsoft Forms. This step is crucial as it ensures that you are accessing the legitimate platform and not a third-party site. You want to work in a secure and reliable environment where your data will be safe. Once you find the right link, it will take you directly to the Microsoft Forms homepage. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. You might need to enter your email and password to access your account. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one. Logging in is important because it ensures that only you can access and edit your forms. After successful login, you will be directed to your dashboard where all your forms and quizzes are listed. This step helps you manage your forms effectively. Now, open your form or quiz in Microsoft Forms. On your dashboard, you will see all your existing forms displayed. Click on the title of the form or quiz you wish to edit. Once opened, you will see the current questions and responses. This is where you will make your changes. It's essential to be in the correct form so that you do not make unintentional changes to the wrong document. After that, scroll to the question after which you want to start a new section. This is the point where you want to divide your form into different parts for better organization. As you scroll, take note of the questions to ensure you choose the right place for your new section. Adding sections can greatly improve the flow of your form and make it easier for respondents to understand what is being asked of them. Once you have identified the right spot, click the Add New button at the bottom of that question card. This button is usually marked with a plus sign and is easily recognizable. When you click it, a menu will pop up with various options for adding different types of content to your form. This step is straightforward but vital for initiating the process of adding a new section. You will see the options available to customize your form further. Next, select Section from the menu. This option allows you to create a new section in your form. When you select it, a new section will be created immediately below the question you chose. This action is important because it helps you to segment your form, making it more user-friendly. Your respondents will appreciate the clearer structure, and it will make it easier for you to analyze the responses later on. Now, type a section title such as Contact Information or Part 2 Feedback and an optional subtitle description. This title will help your respondents understand what information you are asking for in this new section. An engaging and descriptive title can significantly enhance the user experience. It provides context, making it more likely that respondents will provide accurate and thoughtful answers. After typing your title and subtitle, you can rest assured that your form is well organized and visually appealing. By following these steps, you have successfully added sections to your Microsoft Forms. This not only improves the structure of your form, but also makes it easier for respondents to navigate through the questions. You can now continue to customize your form or quiz as needed. Thank you for watching, and happy form building!